All right, guys, we've all been there before. You got a hot date coming up. You want to open up several bottles for the night, but damn, can't find the bottle opener. So what are you gonna do? Find yourself a handy little pair of pliers, scrounge around, find yourself a screw. We're gonna be doing some screwing tonight. So we're gonna basically peel this foil top off. We're gonna push the screw a fair amount of the way in by hand. Use the pliers to screw this in. This is not an elegant solution. You're probably not gonna impress anyone here. Just trying to get her done. All right, you wanna get the screw in at least halfway down the cork, or else your cork might break out. Okay, so now the screw is a fair amount in. What we're gonna do is hold the screw like this and pull it up just like that. Boom. That's how you get your girl. Like and subscribe.
Your girl's like Hillary.